Hi everybody, Carmen and Reva here with Quality Sewing and Vacuum, and we are super excited to announce our first ever virtual sales and educational event. This is going to be a 2-day extravaganza. It's going to be super fun. It is happening February 1st and 2nd, and you can watch this live on our YouTube channel or on our Facebook page. It is going to be awesome. So Reva, can you tell me more about what are we doing? What have we planned?
Absolutely. We have tons of things planned for you, but we have the leaders in the industry that are going to be joining us and going to be talking about different products and also give us tips on how to get better quilting, how to create your own custom quilt blocks.
Awesome.
There's a really fun one on how to get the most out of your decorative stitches on your sewing machine.
There are so many of them, right? So many decorative stitches. Amazing.
So that's just a little snippet because we have the 2 days. So we have tons and tons of fun stuff.
Yeah, and I hear we have some fun embroidery stuff too, right? There's some good embroidery stuff. We're going to have amazing sales happening these days. There's going to be educational content. There's going to be demonstrations, all sorts of cool things. We are going to be posting a schedule so you'll know what to watch when, but I would encourage you to watch all day because we will be doing giveaways.
It must be with us.
Yes, some of these giveaways will be for people who watch us live. So you are going to want to be ready, and this can be on Facebook or YouTube. It is going to be super fun. We have so much in store for you, so do not miss our Sweetheart sale that's happening February 1st and 2nd. It is a virtual sales event, an educational event. We have a ton of fun content in store for you. So save the date now and be sure to watch us live on YouTube or Facebook on February 1st and 2nd. See you there.